Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Esther. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use your electric ovens. I've been getting a lot of comments to make a video on how to use an electric oven. So in this video I'm just going to be showing you how you can use your electric oven. So this is 38 liters oven. Okay, 38 liters. We have different types of liters. Okay, we have 20 liters, we have 15 liters, we have 30, we have 38, we have 40, we have 45. Depends on the capacity. And we also have industrial oven. Okay, but this particular one is 38 liters and the product is Miwi. I'm not being paid for any advert. Okay, so this is the product I have, Miwi, and and it has been really working well. Before I show you how to use the oven, I'm going to be showing you all the buttons. You can call it buttons, you can call it knobs, buttons or knobs or whatever you can call it that comes with this oven. Okay, now we're going to start with opening the oven. Okay, I'm going to open the oven. Here we have the baking tray. Can you see, guys? We have the baking tray. Okay, and this oven has a mini rack. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 ranks. Okay, we have the baking tray. We have this is the baking tray handle. Baking tray handle. What you use this for is when you are baking in the oven, everything here is meant to be very hot, so you don't use your hand to bring out anything. You just use the tray handle to put it like this. Can you see? Look at the way it comes. Can you see, guys? Just put it like this and then just bring it out. Can you see? So you can also use it to bring out your pan, baking pan, if you are baking inside this oven. So we have the bake rank. This is the bake rank. This particular one, can you see? Look at it. This is how it comes. Bake rank. Okay, you can use this for your fish, your barbecue, your shawarma, whatever. This is it. Okay, and then this is the train handle. Train handle. Can you see? Okay, so now this is the off. Can you see? This is how the inside is. So for this product I was lucky to have a lot of minutes. Okay, how long you can do anything you want to do. They wrote it here. This is one advantage this product has. Okay, it's not like that everywhere. You have to check the manual and like that, but this particular one has it written on it. So we're still going to come to this. Okay, and look at this knobs. We have 4 knobs here. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now each of these knobs has their function. Okay, the first knob is the lamp knob. Lamp knob. So this controls whatever happens inside this oven. Here you can switch on this oven and switch it off with this knob. Okay, when you put it on, you see the indicator. There's a sign here, a lamp sign here. When you put it on, it's going to power the oven, and there's a light inside the oven. It's going to make that light to be on once you power the oven with this knob. Okay, the second knob is the function knob. This function knob controls this oven. Let me open this oven for you. This function knob controls whether you want heat to come from here and here. Okay, there's a way you set this oven that here this part will be hot and this part also will be hot. It will be supplying heat from here and here. So this knob controls here and here. So now this knob has, if you look at this knob very well, it has some signs here. This particular one, if you put it here, this is off already, like is off. Can you see? Off. When you put it here, it means you want the oven to be supplying heat from just the up, right? Only the up will be supplying heat. The lower part will not supply any heat. Okay, now when you put it here, this part, I've changed it from here to here. When you put it here, it shows that you want the lower part to be supplying heat. This upper part will stop supplying heat. Okay, now when you put it here like this, you turn it to the lower part like this, it shows that you are telling the oven to supply heat from up and down. Okay, so both up and down will be supplying heat to the oven. So whatever you are doing in here will be getting heat from the lower part and also the upper part. Hope you understand. So it's off right now. Okay, this is off. Here up will be supplying heat, only up, right? Here only down will be supplying heat. This part will stop supplying heat. But when you put it here, it shows that up and down will be supplying you heat at the same time. Do you understand? And this knob is called function knob. Moving to this next knob, which is the third knob. This is the temperature knob. Okay, this is the temperature knob. This knob will control how hot the oven is going to be. So this here is your 100-degree sensor. Okay, 100-degree sensor. If you put it here, this is 150-degree sensor, this is 200-degree sensor, and this is 250-degree sensor. Depends on how hot you want the oven to be, and that depends on whatever you're doing inside this oven. I'm still going to be explaining each temperature you are meant to put it on before the end of the video if you are doing anything. Okay, please, nobody should come for me on the comment section and start saying that and you are stressing it too much, you are saying this repeatedly. I'm trying to take my time to explain so that everybody will get to understand, so that you don't come back to ask me question in the comment section that what is this for, what is this for. That is why I'm taking my time to explain, please. Lastly, this is the timer knob. Okay, this timer will determine how long you want this oven to work. Okay, whatever you're doing in here will determine how long you're going to set this oven. Okay, so this is right now it's off, so this is 20 minutes. This one is on 0 right now, 0. Okay, so if you put it here, it's not working yet. Now this is 10. Okay, 10 minutes, this is 20 minutes, this is 40 minutes, 50, 60, 70, you know, it's like that. It's like, you know, in between you will see it's 10 minutes. Okay, so but what they wrote here is this is 0, this is 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120 minutes. Okay, so here now from here to here is 10 minutes, here is 20 minutes, here to here is 30 minutes, but it's not written, but you will see the sign here. This is 40, like that, till you get to 120 minutes. Okay, that is the timer. They wrote a lot of things here. Like I said, if you want to toast a bread, they wrote how many minutes you should set the oven. So this is like 200-degree sensor. If you want to toast the bread, between 3 to 8 minutes your toasted bread should be ready. Okay, if you want to grill fish, you have to put it on 200 or so. Between 15 to 30 minutes the fish should be ready. Now if you want to make a pizza, you put it on 200 or so. Between 15 to 25 minutes it should be ready. Okay, if you want to grill your drumstick, like, you know, chicken and that drumstick part, you put it on 250-degree sensor. Between 20 to 40 minutes it should be ready. Now if you're, you know, grilling your chicken or whatever, between 30 to 60 minutes it should be ready, and you're going to put it on 250-degree sensor. And if you're baking a corn, yeah, you can use it to bake a corn, you put it on 200-degree sensor. Between 10 to 25 minutes it should be ready. If you're making cookies, put it on 150-degree sensor. Between 5 to 20 minutes it should be ready. If you're making hot food, you know, you're trying to use it to warm your food, put it on 200. Between 10 to 20 minutes it should be ready. So note, you must not use a plastic bowl inside. That is if you don't have a microwave and you just want to use this to warm your food, you can, but don't use a plastic plate. Okay, so there are a lot of things that you can use this oven for. Now right now we're going to go ahead and power this oven. The first thing you're going to do is to go ahead and, you know, see, this is it. You're going to on the oven first. So now let's on the oven. Okay, so I've plugged the oven right now. I've plugged the oven. Now the first thing we're going to do, we are going to turn on this lamp knob. So this is it. It's on already. Okay, now this is where we control how we want heat to be coming into the oven, either up, only up, or down, or both up and down. So I'm going to put it on both up and down. Okay, yeah, this knob controls the temperature, right? Like I said earlier, it controls the temperature. So I'm going to put it on 150-degree sensor. You know, this oven is powered already, but the lamp is still off because we have not set the timer. The timer is still on 0. It shows that you have not told the oven how many minutes you want the oven to work. So it's still going to stay like this until you indicate, or you tell the oven, send a message to the oven that I want it to work for 20 minutes or 40 minutes or 50 minutes or, you know, 120 minutes. Okay, so now I'm going to put it on 40 minutes. Can you see? If you look at it very well, the lamp is already on. Okay, and the oven has started working like this. Okay, so I'm going to open it up for you to see. Can you see the lamp is already on? Can you see the lamp is on? This is my tray. So before you do anything, make sure you remove this tray handle from inside. If not, it will be hot. By the time you want to use it, it won't be easy for you to bring it out again. Okay, you cannot preheat your oven in case you want to bake anything inside the oven, or you want to toast anything, you want to grill or do anything, it's advisable that you preheat your oven before you put anything inside. So the oven is already working now. I'm getting heat from up and also down. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video, drop a comment, and type my thank you in the comment section. When you share this video, it makes other people to see the video, because YouTube will automatically push the video to larger audience. But if you don't like the video, you are sending a wrong signal to YouTube that this video is not helpful. Please help like this video and drop a comment. I'll definitely see you guys in the next one. Bye.